Good morning to the respected coordinator teacher, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. I am Devashree Pyakurel from Manivani studying here to presentation on the topic computer. A computer is an electronic man-made machine that was discovered by Charles Babbage. He is known as the father of computers. It has various parts such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU are its main parts. CPU is known as the brain of a computer. Computer never does mistakes. It has made our work easier. Nowadays, computers have been used in various sectors like school, bank, hospitals, etc. We can learn about through world through computer. It is very useful to us. Thank you.